What's up, guys? Happy Halloween month, happy October, happy time to dress up and have fun and decorate and do all that good stuff before we get into Thanksgiving, which we also can decorate, and of course Christmas, almost everyone's favorite holiday. I get it. But I wanted to start off the month with pictures, with some videos. I'm going to switch things up this time around, this year around. I actually have more time to produce. So I'm going to kick things off with this DIY video on how to do floating jack-o'-lanterns. Check it out.